This may have been a mistake, but it was a calculated risk, and I've never tried it before. And I do, after all, have 4 of these on that tree. I'm going to try to slather that down with that root tech, set it in a container, and prune it way back. Actually, I might remove all of the leaves except for 1 or 2 of these terminal bud leaves and give that one a go. I might just leave 1 on it, to be honest. I think that'd be better. And give that a go. I'll pick the best looking one and leave it. Give that a go. And this one, which is already, I don't know if the frost did that or what, but it's they're all just about to drop anyway. So I've got buds back here. I'll probably get it right there at that node, right there, and then we'll see what happens with that. The other 2, I'm gonna go back down there. I cut the 2 off, the 2 most conspicuous branches. I was getting concerned that the tree's gonna drop all the leaves, and then these would have been visible to any Tom, Dick, and Harry that walks by. Looky-loos. Looky-loos are my #1 enemy in town. And so the 2 that I left are on the downstream side of the circle. They're not really visible, as visible. In other words, the cars are going that way and the enclosures are on the opposite side of that. So I'm gonna leave them. I'm gonna go back down there with some hormone and repack them and coat them down and see what happens. I'm trying to do a few different things here, so I don't put all my eggs in one basket. That's where I'm at. And we'll see what happens. That's a nice callus. You couldn't ask for better. But that's 2.5 months and still no roots. Although, as I've shown before, they're right on the cusp. This is as close as you can get to it without actually having rhizogenesis. It's knocking on the door. So, Bob Ross bravery test. Old Bob Ross would be proud.